Basically, I think we've been in this business for long, like Agenda Maha Network, under Agenda Surya Maha Network. They've been in this business for long, and then they have a lot of experience in doing the exhibitions. And throughout all this time, MyCom has been very supportive, and then we were behind them as a pillars. So, but now they have come out with additional programs, new programs nationwide. The main purpose of today's is to just to tell the public, tell the Malaysians that we have programs lined up for the whole year. And what are the programs we have been highlighted just now. And I would like to stress again the point that MyCom is in full support of their movement, of all the exhibitions, whatever they undertake.
As usual, what my experience, my expertise is basically organizing exhibitions and conference and seminars and shows and all that. So for this year 2014, MyCom, Malaysia India Chamber of Commerce, have again appointed Agenda Surya Maha Network to organize these nationwide events. These nationwide events are like one is the Global Indian Fiesta, and the other one is to come out with a Little India in Puchong, and then on top of it we have this Indian Wedding Fair. But then towards the end of the year will be the Deepavali Carnival, and all these events are taking place between March and November this year. Little India is going to take place in Puchong, which is going to be a permanent shop lot setup, which will have all kind of product from textiles to jewelries to restaurants to handicrafts, to services. Services means even the wedding related services and products. This will be the permanent shop lot setup, and they can either take the full shop lot or we can even set up according to their space needed by them. Of course, there have been events going on under Agenda Surya, but now I have come out of Agenda Surya, set up my own Agenda Surya Maha Network, and this experience which I had over the last 11 years, and now MyCom have appointed me to organize these events. With MyCom with us, Malaysia India Chamber of Commerce with us, we are sitting down for talks with all the chambers. Let's say the Kelang Chamber of Commerce, like the Penang Chamber of Commerce or even the local Chamber of Commerce. We want to sit down with them, we want to put this proposal towards them and ask them to participate in these programs. Their members can participate in this program, and of course priority will be given to locals. So it has been always my practice and also my chamber's practice to take care of local traders first before helping others. So priority will be given to local traders anytime they can come in.